adventures. We're here again for another buyer's guide review. Yes, and what we're going to unbox for today is our Licca Chan doll. Yes, so she is actually a Licca Chan doll that has a collaboration with Sanrio character, and for this she is number 13 with Cinnamoroll. Yes, so I like cinnamon roll because they're really very delicious, right? Have you tried the cinnamon roll lately? You have to, because it's the festive festive month, Christmas. Yes, so let's try to eat some more sweets. So this is cinnamon roll. He's a very fluffy, cutie little doggy. Yes, actually I thought cinnamon roll is a rabbit, but they said it's a dog. So whatever character it is, cinnamon roll is so very cute. He's here again, and as you can look at this Licca Chan cover, wow! See, they're all sweets, all covered, scattered. Yes, now this is already what I call the standard box. Okay, standard description of the box of Licca Chan. So there's a identification card of Licca Chan, who she is. So if you know how to speak Nihongo or Japanese, congratulations. I don't understand. Okay, yes, my Japanese is still very, 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 very minute. Yes, so practice makes perfect. Nonetheless, I'm going to guess this means cinnamon roll is a cute character. See? I think it's a rabbit. Okay, so anyway, this is Licca Chan. So if you're a parent and your child likes Japanese or animated, animated inspired dolls, Licca Chan would be the safest doll you can purchase for your child. Yes, because she's really sturdy and very beautiful, and she's actually, her aura is actually for a child or for a teenager. Yes. Now for us, because I am an adult doll collector, I like collecting Licca Chan dolls because it makes me feel nostalgic of being a little girl again. Yes, and because I like the ponytails. See, it reminds me of Sailor Moon. And my other Licca Chan doll, which is Pinku. Hello. See, she's on ponytail too. Okay, is that ponytail? Pigtail. But anyway, they look cute because I just like the hairstyle. Yes. So anyway, let's unbox her. So we're going to snip, 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 snip. We're going to get our scissor. Now, for parents who will be buying this, okay, for their children, so this is very easy to open because you're just going to use a scissor to snip, snip. The box packaging is very traditional, so it's just like that, right? So we open this up and then, okay, like that. Very easy. Unlike the other new dolls wherein the packaging is like forever to open. So for Licca Chan, it's very easy to open. Yes, there. So very simple. Yes, packaging. So she's got herself a hat. Oh, I like that. So, there's a tape. Okay, actually I like the packaging very much. That's why it's much better we use the scissors. Snip, snip. Yes, so that it's easier. Okay, the tape is there. So wow, look at that. Okay, now actually Licca Chan dolls are very famous for its detail. So her fashion is on point. Yes, and I like the accessories. Yes, so see. Okay, wow. So it's very soft, and actually, see, it has the color of cinnamon roll. It's powder blue and white. Yes, wow. So can you see that? Okay, very nice. Now we're going to get our doll. So yes, I'm going to snip snip. Snip 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 snip. Oh, careful there. Because one of the problems I have is when I snip snip, I have to be careful that it's not going to snip snip the hair, right? There. See? Okay, so the hair is okay. The head is there. Oops. Let's try to snip snip this part. Okay, snip snip this area too. Okay. Oops. Okay, sorry for that. Sorry, Licca. Licca's like, no! You made me fall. Yeah, but I helped you stand up again, so that's okay. So here, see? She's very beautiful. So I have now a blonde Licca Chan doll. Yes, okay. So just like other Licca Chan dolls, she has the 5 point of articulation. The head. Hello, I'm Licca Chan doll, but I'll name her Cinnamon. Yeah, Cinnamon would be nice. Hello, I'm Cinnamon. Yes, and then another articulation are the arms. And then the legs. So actually, her knee can be bent. Okay, only a little, not too much. Yes, okay. And then because this is made of hard plastic, so you can bend her arm, but not that much. Yeah. Ow! No, I can't be bent. Okay. So what I like is that she comes with, okay, her undergarment. Yes. And look at the printing of the skirt. Wow. So that's cinnamon roll. So cute. And this is cupcake. No, I'm making up names. I don't know who she is, but she looks like a cupcake. Yes. And then there's another one. Wow. Is that cotton candy? Okay, so anyway, the three of them. Now, her dress is just a whole dress that has a Velcro from top to bottom. So like that. Okay. Ta-da! And then of course, okay, there. So you can see here the quality of how the dress is sewn. Right? So nice, so clean. Yes. Clean, clean, clean. So let's put it back. Okay, yes, there. So actually I don't like to change clothes of my Licca Chan dolls, but you know, we need to play with them. So I have to give them other clothes to wear. So these, you can see they're like sisters. Sister! Sister! So we have Pinku and Cinnamon. Yes. If we go by the color, she's actually yellow, so blondie. Yeah. I'm not comfortable. So I'll just call her Cinnamon. Cinnamon and Pinku. See, they're both. Is that not ponytail? Somebody said it's not ponytail. Pigtails, yes. See, look at that luscious hair. This is what I like about Licca Chan dolls. They have very, very thick hair. Because see, and very soft too. You can really just, it's so soft. I like it. It's so softy. Yes. And then look at her face. Her finishing is really nice. It's mild makeup, right? And her lips. Yes. She's got blue eyes. Yes. How about you? She's got blue eyes too. Actually, they have the same face. Don't they? They have the same face, or she looks a little milder. She looks very pink. What do you think? Comment down below. They look the same, but somehow there's a certain difference in the glow of the face. Or is that because of the hair? Right? Sometimes it's because of the hair. Yeah, maybe it's because of the hair. See, her bangs have this until this part, and her bangs is until that part. Yes. Now, for parents who will be buying this doll for their kids, yes, there's no problem if you're going to, you know, to wash their hair, because the hair is nice actually. But I, for one, will not wash her hair because there's not much material or glue on the hair, you know. There's not much material. See, it's not that hard. Actually, it's very soft. Yeah, I don't know what kind of gel they're using, because it's not really like the other dolls that we had from other countries wherein the glue, the material is really hard. This one is really, really soft. See? Very, very soft. See? She's very beautiful. So if we're going to let her wear her hat, please wear your hat properly. Yes! She's so cute! Cutie, cute, cute! I like her! I'm so cute! I'm a very cute Licca Chan doll. Yes. So Licca Chan dolls are dolls from Japan. So if you can, you know, purchase this online, yeah, so you can buy them here in the Philippines. But if you have somebody living in Japan, just like me, I have my brothers and sister there, so you can ask them to purchase for you if you have relatives in Japan, right? Yes. But this one, she's a cutie. And oh, her bag, can you see that? It's a cinnamon cookie, cinnamon cinnamon roll cookie. Yes. Oh, see, is it usable? Nah, it's not reusable. I'm not going to. Yeah, I don't think it's reusable. Can you put something inside? No, 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 no. Don't destroy the bag. So here, she's very pretty. I'm going shopping. I'm going to Simbang Gabi. You know what Simbang Gabi is? It's the dawn mass. Yes, so Simbang Gabi is going to start, and we're going to bring cinnamon roll. Yes, I'm going to go Simbang Gabi. Yeah, 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 yeah. So if I'm going to go Simbang Gabi with my mom, yes, so I might be bringing cinnamon roll with me, cinnamon and Pinku. But Pinku has to wear something decent. So, Pinku, what will you wear? Yeah, so anyway, here are her shoes. Let's snip, 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 snip. Okay, snip, snip. Be careful with the scissors. Okay, there. Ah! That's the sign. That's the international Japanese sign that kids do not eat the product. So parents, if you see this sign in some Japanese dolls, it means do not let your kids swallow, taste, chew the product. Okay? Be responsible. Okay? Yes, be responsible. Responsible. No, doll collectors and purchasers and gift givers. Wow, look at these shoes. Can you see the detail? Oh, it's giving me the, you know, the Tiffany vibes. Yes. Wow. See? Oh, the detail is so nice. It's just that it's painted blue and white, but if you want to put more detail, you can customize it. For those who are customizing their dolls, you can just put pink here. It would be nice, right? Pink or all over. But for me, yeah, I like it. You know how it's delivered. So we'll just follow this. Now she doesn't have any socks, so that's good. We'll not have any trouble with that. So here, da 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 da, she looks very kawaii. So how does she look? She's got the look. Wow, she's very pretty, right? I'm so pretty, very pretty. So that is cinnamon roll, Licca Chan doll. And she is a beauty. Yes. So, for all of you who are going to start collecting Licca Chan dolls, just go on the link below. I will be placing the link where you can purchase some of these dolls. Yes. So, I do believe that they are also available here in our country, the Philippines. So, sa aking mga kababayan, makakabili kayo ng ganitong doll. Yes. Now, the prices of Licca Chan dolls depend on the design. Opo. So, it means to say if the design is very beautiful and the Licca Chan doll has a collaboration with other products, of course, it's gonna be expensive. Roughly 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. Yes. But if it's just a simple Licca Chan doll, it will be from 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. Yes. But nonetheless, it's the season of giving. Buy yourself a doll that would make you happy, right? Yes. So, thank you so much for joining me with our buyer's guide unboxing of Licca Chan Doll Cinnamoroll. Oh, what is this? Oops, there's a garter. Okay. So, anyway, hanggang sa muli. Kita-kits na lang. Paalam. Paalam. Yes. Bye-bye, bye-bye.